And so for much more on the market's activity, let's go to Yahoo Finance's own Ines Ferre, who's standing by with the Yahoo Finance Interactive. Ines?
Yeah, Brad, and we're just taking a look at the bond market because so much has been happening with bonds since we got that jobs report this morning. Let's take a look at the 10-year Treasury right now. It's sitting at around 2.37%. The twos and the tens, which is very closely watched, that yield curve inverted now. It did invert this morning. It's currently inverted now as well. Taking a look also at the 5-year, and the 30-year inverted earlier this morning. It's inverted now as well, and also the 2 and the 30 inverted for a hot moment around 11:30 Eastern time. Looking also at the commodities market, we have been watching oil throughout this whole weekend and weeks, and taking a look at WTI, it settled at $99.27 a barrel, so just shy of $100 a barrel. Its biggest loss for WTI since 2000, a weekly loss since 2011. Also, Brent crude settling at $104.39 a barrel. Looking at the sector action, we are watching going into the closing hour today. We're still watching real estate materials, which are leading. Also on a 5-day chart, want to point to you those defensive sectors, real estate, utilities, and staples, which are in the lead for the week. And finally, just want to mention the transports because we've been watching a lot of red here on the Dow Jones Transportation stocks falling on worries of a decline in freight demand. Rail and trucking stocks are lower. You've got a Stevens analyst that's been citing inflation, rising fuel costs, and no more stimulus in the freight market, which could take a hit going into 2023.